Presidente, I'm honored to present Vice President and the future President of the United States, Joe Biden.
I just have one thing to say. Hang on here.
Rozzi si gira rozzi, no mi muovi zara rozzi si gira rozzi, io faccio muoio rozzi si muoio rozzi si poco rozzi si frate rozzi, io qua ci muoio rozzi si frate rozzi, tu per la coca hai fatto i fossi, c'hai
I tell you what, if I had the talent of any one of these people, I'd be